Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Arpita Paul and I am back again with another new video. And today I will tell you how you can add ordered lists to make your web page more presentable. Okay, in my last video I have already discussed how to add unordered list in your web page. Please go through the video if you haven't yet watched the video, and the link is given in the description box below. Okay, now let's come to the point of ordered list. So what is ordered list? Ordered list is basically a numbered list. Okay, and we will use OL tag to add the ordered list, and all the list items will be added by using the LI tag. So basically there are three types of ordered list. First one is the Arabic number, that is the normal numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, second one is the Roman numbers, and Roman numbers can be written in capital letters and in small letters also. So both way we can use Roman numbers. Same way we have the third one, which is alphabets. Alphabets also can be written in uppercase or in lowercase. So basically 5 way we can use the ordered list. Okay. So now let's move on to the writing part. How you will add this ordered list, I'm going to show you now. Okay. So let's move on to the writing part. So here you can see I have opened the notepad and I have written the HTML code here. Okay, if you don't know how to open the notepad, please go through my previous videos where I have explained how you can open the notepad and how you can start writing the HTML code. Okay, now let's move on to the writing part. So here I have started the HTML with the HTML code, then added the head and the title, and the title is using ordered list. You can add any other title also in your own. Then I have added the background color within the body tag by writing body space BG color equals to pink, and the text color will be blue here. Okay, this is not compulsory. You can skip it or you can use any other color also. And I have set the font size 26. This is also not compulsory. This is optional. Now I will add the ordered list by writing the tag OL. You can see here I have started the tag OL. O stands for ordered, L stands for list. So I told you there are many types of ordered list. So first type I am using is the Arabic numbers, that means the numerical values 1 2 3 4. For that we will write OL space type equals to 1. Okay, then inside this OL tag, we will use LI tag to add the list. So for that, we are writing LI, then the content. I have written here hardware. Then separating with space, another point I am adding with the LI tag, LI software. Okay. So these two lists I have added here within OL tag. Okay. Now I am ending the ordered list or OL tag by using the backslash character. Okay, same way I'm adding one more OL tag, but here the type is different. Alphabets I'm using here in capital letter. So same way I'm adding two content here, two lists. First one is orange and second one is mango using the LI tag and ending the OL tag. Now another ordered list I am adding here, but the type is A in small letter, that means alphabets in lowercase. And here also I am adding two different content using the LI tag, cars and ships, and then ending the OL tag. Same way I am adding one more tag, OL tag, and here the type is Roman one in capital letter. Here also I am adding two content using the LI tag, you can see here, and after adding it I am ending the OL tag here. And the last one you can see I have added one more OL tag. Here the type is Roman one but in small letter, and added two different content using the LI tag and ended the OL tag here. Then after ending this, I have started the font size here and ending the font here. Then ending the body tag and then ending the HTML tag as usual. So the writing part is done here. So now to see the output, we have to save it. So for that, we will click on the file option, then save as option. Then here we will select desktop if it is not yet selected. So in my case, desktop is already selected, and from here I will select all files and then I will provide the file name here. So I am giving the file name test.html. You can provide any file name in your own, but don't forget to mention the extension which will be either HTML or HTM. Okay, then I'm saving it. Click on save. Now I'm minimizing the window. So here you can see the test.html file has come here. So I'm opening this file to see the output. Okay, so we are waiting for the web page to come. So here you can see using ordered list is the title, background color is pink and the text color is blue. Okay, now the first list you can see the numeric numbers has come 1 2 hardware and software. Second list has come with the capital letters A B. Third list has come with the alphabets in lowercase small letters. Fourth list you can see it has come with the Roman 1 2 3 4, but here the Roman 1 is in uppercase. And same way the last list you can see the Roman 1 2 3 4 has come but in lowercase. Oh, so this is how easily we can add any ordered list in our web page and make it more presentable through this ordered list. Okay. I hope now you can do it in your own. So until then, stay tuned. Thank you everyone. Like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have any video suggestion, please mention it in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.